Is your iPhone showing a black screen instead of displaying widgets or notifications in standby mode? Don't worry. This issue is usually related to settings or software glitches, and I'll help you fix it step by step. Let's get started. Solution 1. Check standby mode settings. Open settings on your iPhone, scroll down and tap standby. Ensure the standby toggle is turned on. Solution 2. Check iPhone placement in landscape. Standby mode only works when your iPhone is in landscape mode. So, place your iPhone sideways on a stand while charging. And check if it enters standby mode. If not, restart your iPhone and see if that helps. Solution 3. Turn off orientation lock. Swipe down from the right corner of the screen to bring up the control center. Now tap on this icon to turn off orientation lock. Solution 4. Enable night mode. Open settings on your iPhone, scroll down, and tap standby. Toggle the standby switch to on. After that, turn on night mode. Solution 5. Reset all settings. Open settings, tap general, scroll down and select transfer or reset iPhone. Tap reset and choose reset all settings. This resets system settings but won't delete your personal data. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the black screen issue in standby mode. If the video helped you fix the issue, smash that like button. Got any questions? Feel free to drop them in the comments below, and I'll get back to you real soon. Thanks for watching.